मैं कर्नल सोफिया कुरैशी और मेरे साथ विंग कमांडर व्योमिका सिंह आज आपको 6 से 7 मई 2025 की रात 1:05 से 1:30 बजे के बीच भारतीय सशस्त्र बलों द्वारा अंजाम दिए गए ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बारे में जानकारी देंगे।
A moment etched in history. 2 women officers communicated India's message to the world following aerial strikes on Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir on 7th May.
पाकिस्तान में पिछले 3 दशकों से टेरर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का निर्माण हो रहा है।
Operation Sindoor was launched by Indian Armed Forces to deliver justice to the victims of Pahalgam terror attack and their families.
Colonel Sophia Qureshi and Wing Commander Vyomika Singh represented the Indian Armed Forces at a high-level joint media briefing after Operation Sindoor.
सबसे पहले सवाई नाला कैंप मुजफ्फराबाद, जो कि पीओजेके के लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल से 30 किलोमीटर दूर है, यह एक लश्कर-ए-तौयबा का ट्रेनिंग सेंटर था।
Colonel Qureshi from the Indian Army's Corps of Signals is a trailblazer in uniform. In 2016, she had become the first woman officer to lead an army contingent at an 18-nation military exercise, Exercise Force 18. A seasoned peacekeeper, she earlier served as a UN military observer in Congo and had been closely associated with peacekeeping operations since 2010. Military service runs in her blood. Her grandfather was in the army and her husband serves in the mechanized infantry.
Selection of these targets for Operation Sindoor was based on credible intelligence inputs and role of these facilities in perpetrating the terror activities. The locations were so selected to avoid damage to civilian infrastructures and loss of any civilian lives.
This is Wing Commander Vyomika Singh, a decorated helicopter pilot in the Indian Air Force. Vyomika's journey began with a dream in 6th grade to fly. Her name itself, meaning daughter of the sky, seemed to preordain her path. Singh joined the NCC, pursued engineering, and became the first in her family to join the armed forces. Granted a permanent commission in 2019, by 2023, she has logged over 2,500 flying hours, piloting Chetak and Cheetah helicopters in some of India's toughest terrains, from high-altitude zones in Kashmir to rescue missions in the northeast. In 2021, she was part of an all-women tri-services expedition to Mount Manirang. At the Operation Sindoor briefing, she didn't just represent the IAF, she represented a new chapter for women in uniform.
However, it must be said that the Indian Armed Forces are fully prepared to respond to Pakistani misadventures, if any, that will escalate this situation. Jai Hind and thank you very much.